Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today I'm going to show you how to solve quadratic equation using factorization method. For example, x squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 using factorization method. Now we say solution. We have x squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. In this case, what we do, we look for two numbers. We can use brackets times brackets equal to, we multiply x squared times 6, which gives us 6x squared. Then we look for another two numbers. When we add these two numbers, it will give us the coefficient of x, which is 5x. And what are these two numbers? We have 3x times 2x will give us 6x squared. And we have 3x plus 2x will give us 5x. Now, what we do, we use 3x plus 2x to replace 5x. Now, let's put it. We have x squared plus, instead of 5x, we replace it with 3x plus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Then, next step, we have to group this expression into two brackets. We have x squared plus 3x, the same thing, we just group it, plus 2x plus 6, we put it in bracket, equal to 0. Next step, we look for what is common. S is common, we bring it out, remaining 1x plus 3. When you want to times it back, s times s will give you s squared, s times 3 will give you 3x, plus what is common in this bracket? We discover that 2 is common. We bring out 2 and left with x plus 3 equal to 0. We look at this expression and discover that the brackets are equal. So we have to pick one bracket and we pick what is outside the bracket. So what is outside the bracket is x plus 2. Bracket, we pick one of the bracket since they are equal, which is x plus 3 equals to 0. What will make this expression to be 0? Either one of the bracket. If we turn one of the bracket to 0, everything will change to 0. That is either x plus 2 equals to 0 or s plus 3 equals to 0. Now, we collect the like terms, x equal to 0 minus 2 or x equal to 0 minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 or minus 3. Therefore, x is minus 2, minus 3 as the answer. Now, to check if our answer is correct, put x equals to minus 2 to the original equation. We write check. We write the original equation, which is x squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Let's put x equal to minus 2 first and see if our answer will be 0. Minus 2 in place of x all squared plus 5 bracket minus 2 plus 6. Is it equal to 0? Minus 2 squared gives us 4. 5 times minus 2 gives us minus 10 plus 6. Is it equal to 0? Let's see. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So our answer is correct when s is equal to minus 2. Then we test when s is equal to minus 3. We put it to the original equation, which is here. We have minus 3 all squared plus 5 into minus 3 plus 6. Is it equal to 0? Let's check. Minus 3 squared will give us 9, plus 5 times minus 3 will give us minus 15, plus 6. Is it equal to 0? 9 plus 6 gives us 15. 15 minus 15, which is 0, is equal to 0. So, it's true. Our answer is correct when s is minus 2 and when s is minus 3. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.